So we make it up, and it can be anything. Remember, there's no wrong answer in improv. So, George, what's that first planet called that we discovered?
Xavier.
1, good. We wanted to bring improv to the patients here. Salsa? 2, perfect. That was perfect. All who are living with multiple sclerosis. Steve Town, because we know how powerful it can be for the mind, the body, the spirit. Flubber, 4. Practicing improv is a great way to connect with people. 5, yes, I love that. It's amazing to watch them light up when they see their ideas being applauded and laughed at by other people.
A cement brick.
A cement brick. Thank you so much, Paul. This is another example of how powerful this art form is and how it really is accessible to everybody.
Everyone go raspberry.
Yes! Raspberry!
You can tell when the members have had improv for the day, their outlook on things are more positive.
Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy.
The overall mood and energy in the building is great.
Zip Steve the Moon.
We were able to get support through the Minnesota State Arts Board grant. We are truly thankful that this opportunity was presented to us.
This class at Fairview has been a great inspiration for me and for our work at the Brave New Workshop, and we are really trying to focus on this type of work and bring improv to audiences that may not have access. And so I'm really excited to expand on this and see where it can go. Good question. How long should you ground your teenage daughter?
Do I feel like I've
Alexa?
formed a community with these people? Yes, I do. Because we all look out for each other.
I would say for life.
It's increased my imagination and how to be more open-minded.
You'll be surprised at how much more free you are in coming out and interacting with other people that you maybe didn't know. I'm a serious guy. As you do that, you'll learn a lot more about yourself.
There's a hamster inside.
Is it breathing?
To me, that's why it's so powerful, because
It's dead.
people come in, they connect through humor, they connect through creativity, and once they've accepted that reality of, hey, I can be who I am here, the sky's the limit, and it's incredibly healing.
Everybody go, woo-hoo!
Yes!
Woo-hoo!